See, now you're getting into the real algebra, so this is exciting. And I just want to talk about what we mean when we say the solution to an equation. What does it mean to solve an equation, or what is this when you get the solution to an equation? What does that mean? Well, let's back up and talk about what an equation is. What this equal sign is saying, it's making a bold claim. What it's basically saying is over here, this side of the equal sign, everything over here is equal to this side. Okay? So this is a bold claim, and for it to be true, then x has to stand for a particular number. What is x? Now, if I were to put in 70 trillion for x, this would say 2 times 70 trillion plus 3 is the same as 11, which is obviously nonsense. I mean, that would be not true. There's only one thing you can plug in for x in this case, which would make this bold claim true. So this equation is stating something. It's saying 2x, whatever x is standing for, plus 3 is the same thing as 11. Alright, so what's going to make this equation quote-unquote true? Meaning that both sides really are equal to each other. Well, in this equation, the value that would make this true, a true statement, is 4, because 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 really is 11. So that side would be 11 and this side would be 11. So in other words, this equation wouldn't be just a big fib. It wouldn't be telling stories. It would really be true that this side would be 11 when all is said and done, and this side is 11 when all is said and done. So the solution to an equation is that value for the variable, which would make the equation actually true. So let's look at this equation. What this is stating, what this equal sign is stating, I don't know why I drew a scribble there. Let's turn that into an arrow. Let's redeem that. Okay, what this equal sign is saying is all this junk over here is equal to all this junk over here. So if whatever y is, if you multiply by 3 and subtract 2 from it, that'll equal 13. Well, what is the solution? What is that value of y that would make this a true equation? Well, let's see. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. That's a 5, believe me. Minus 2. 15 minus 2 is what? 13. So if you plug in a 5 for that y, then this equation turns out to be true. So we would call 5 the solution to that equation. And you can get into some other lessons that show you actually how to find the solution to the equation. But for now, just remember that the solution is the value that will make the equation true.